another normal day here in Tampa. We are continuing the weather barrier installation, making sure this house is fully protected before the siding goes on. This layer right here is what keeps water out and allows the wall to breathe. No rush, no shortcuts, just a clean installation, properly overlap it, properly seal it. Every seam is tied, every penetration addressed. Florida weather is not a joke, so the prep has to be solid. Nothing crazy today, just consistent professional work. That's how you build houses. Alejandro Melo Contractor.